Good morning everyone. My name is Surjit Kumar and I am currently pursuing BSc in Data Science and AI from IIT Guwahati. Along with my study, I am working at SCL Technology as a Servicenow tester, where I got opportunity to work on Servicenow in real-time project environment. In this presentation, I will be explaining how I use automation testing and AI features in Servicenow to improve ITSM process. Now moving to the next slide to give overview of my work. Internship overview. So during my internship at SCL Technology, I worked on the Servicenow platform in real-time project environment. My main focus was on ITSM modules like incident management, change management, program management, and service request. My objective to improve workflow efficiency using automation and AI testing and reduce manual efforts and increase the productivity. I was involved in testing the existing workflow and the functionality. During testing, I observed that many tasks were still manual, which takes times and may lead to error. Moving to the next slide to explain the existing challenges. So in the current system, there were some practical challenges. From my experience, manual testing was taking a lot of times. Agents had to read each and every ticket completely. That could delay in resolution incident. Managing a large number of tickets was very difficult, and also there was a chance of human errors. Overall, resolution was getting delayed. So this was the affected productivity in real projects. Moving to the next slide to discuss internship goals. The main goal of my project was to improve efficiency in Servicenow ITSM process. We aim to automate manual testing using automated test framework. It reduces dependency on manual testing and improves the accuracy and consistency. Along with that, we also plan to explore AI-based support for better ticket handling. In simple terms, the goal was to make the system faster, smarter, and more efficient. Now explaining the tools used and the data source. Tools and technology. So for implementing this, I used Servicenow platform for ITSM process. I worked with the automated test framework, which is used for the testing automation in Servicenow platform. I also used Now Assist, which is an AI-based features, and agentic AI for better decision support. For testing, we use real ITSM data like tickets, record, change request, program tickets, and service request. So overall, it was completely practical, real-time project exposure. Now I will explain how it actually works. End-to-end follow. So let me explain the actual workflow based on I worked on. First, a ticket is created in Servicenow with details like issue, priority, and user information. Then ATF automatically runs test case to validate workflow, state changes, approvals, etc. After that, Now Assist AI reads the tickets and generates a short summary, suggests work notes, provide resolutions, so the agent can quickly understand issue and take action. Now moving to the next slide to explain automation part in detail. Automation using ATF. So ATF played a very important role in my project. Instead of doing manual testing, we use ATF to automate testing process. It helps in creating reusable test case, automatically validating workflow, state transition, and business rules. For examples, it checks whether a ticket is correctly moving from open to in prog or in prog to resolve state. This saves a lot of time. Also ensure consistency and accuracy in the real projects. Now I will explain how I did testing in Servicenow using ATF with a simple example. During my internship, I have created so many ATF test cases to test workflow of ITSM modules. Due to company policy, I can't show the real project environment. So I created a demo in Servicenow PDI, Personal Development Instance. Let me explain with one simple example. This is the automated test framework integrated with Servicenow, and these are the test scripts that I have created. This is the change management workflow test script. Here I have created the steps like create user, application menu visibility, navigate to modules, set field value, submit the form. Here I clicking on run test button. I validate the change management workflow. It will open in new browser and my test has been running. Verifying application menu visibility, like change application is visible or not. These are the steps that has been running. Here selecting the change models, it will auto select normal change as per script. Now the change form is moved to SS state. Here change is waiting for approval. Approval has been triggered. These are the approvers. Now it will approximate with the approvers and approve this change automatically. Here are the results. Test outputs is the test is the passed. Browser involved Mozilla. These are the test logs. These are the test transactions and these are the results. Here we can see that all steps has been success. Now change workflow has been validated successfully. Now Assist AI. So Now Assist is basically an AI assistance inside ServiceNow that reads the ticket automatically, generates short summary, suggests work needs for the agent, provide resolution notes. For my experience, this is very useful because agents do not have much time to read the full ticket each and every time. For example, if the issue is server down, AI can directly suggest possible action what to do on that ticket. Agentic AI is more advanced. It suggests the next best action on the past data and help in decision making. So overall, it makes tickets handling quicker and smarter. Now let's look at the result I achieved, performance result. So based on my implementation, I have executed a total of 120 test cases, in which 108 test cases ran successfully and 12 were failed. So the success rate was around 90%. Also we observed it reduced the manual efforts, provide faster testing execution, and it improved accuracy. Now performance comparison between manual and automation testing. Performance comparison. So if I compared based on my experience, manual testing takes more times, it needs more efforts, it makes chances of errors. Automation testing is faster, more accurate, consistent. So automation clearly improves performance. Now moving to the challenge I faced during the work. Challenges. While working as a ServiceNow tester and QA, I faced some real challenges. Like initial ATF setup was very time consuming. Some workflow were complex to automate it. AI outputs depend on data quality. Real-time configuration can be very tricky. But these challenges helped me to learn more practically. Now going to next slide, conclusion part. Automation significantly improve overall efficiency in ServiceNow operations. ATF reduce manual testing efforts and ensure consistent system validation. Now Assist AI improve ticket understanding and support better decision making, results in faster, more reliable and efficient ITSM process. Now going to future scope. Extend ATF automation to cover more ServiceNow modules and complex workflow. Improve automation testing during upgrade and patches to catch issue earlier. Enhance Now Assist AI to provide more accurate incident summary and resolution suggestion. Enable agent assisted and AI recommendation action to speed up ticket resolution. Increase overall automation intelligence and reliability of ITSM process. Thank you. Thank you for the listening.